Hi, my name is Chef Ely Salar and welcome to the Bailiwick Academy. I will teach you everything about French tart. What is French tart? So French tart is made of pâte sablé. So pâte sablé is a basic or standard French pastry dough. Out of French tart, you can make a variety of different sweet pastries or different types of tarts. So do you need experience or do you need to be a baker to be able to make tart or French tart? I believe that these recipes are super easy to make, that you can make it at home even without prior baking experience. So you will learn 5 different recipes for our tarts today. So we have pistachio creme brulee. We have chocolate salted caramel. And then we have pecan tart. Mango cream cheese. And I will share a bonus recipe, which is the raspberry tart. Experience the art of French pastry making and create stunning tarts with a flaky, buttery crust and variety of sweet fillings. Only here at the Bailiwick Academy.